Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you all how I achieved this blowout with the Revlon blow dryer. I don't know exactly what it's called, but the Revlon blow dryer. I washed my hair with the Cream of Nature honey line and I did a review on that. You can see that video by clicking the cards above. And I'm going to do a postpartum shedding video because I did lose a lot of hair in the process, this much, and I believe some of it is postpartum shedding. Let's get started. So I'm adding some of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner on my hair. I'm then following up with my Tresemme Heat Protectant. I've been using this for a very long time, although I want to try the Pantene Gold Series line. I watched, I think it was African Beauty's video where she showed the lady at the lab putting the heat protectant on the balloon and then following it up with the flat iron on the balloon, and it did not pop. So I think I'm going to try that next as a heat protectant. Okay, let's begin. Now, to reduce the amount of heat on my hair, I'm actually starting off on the cool setting. And of course, you start with the tips and then work your way up to the roots. I like this blow dryer because it's ergonomically friendly as opposed to the stylers that are shaped more like a comb. As I mentioned in my last video, I do have carpal tunnel as a result of my pregnancy, and it's difficult sometimes with my wrists to really, get to the parts that I want to get, and this made it easier. So at this point, I switched to high heat. I'd say there were about 6 sections on each side of my head, and I spent about 10 minutes on each section. Of course, once I started using the blow dryer on high heat, I was able to move a lot quicker and get the hair straighter. But you still, at least to me, I still want to start off with the cool setting so that you reduce the amount of heat that you use on your hair. One section is done. You can tell that my hair is damaged at the end, needs a good trim. So I'm just going to take my little scissors and cut that off. I must say, I like it. It's easier than my old or my other blow dryer, I must say. I'm just gonna put a clip to keep it out of the way. So I'm almost done. I just have this one last section in the front to do. I must say, I am impressed. I love this thing. It's definitely worth the money, worth the investment. I didn't time myself. I should have, but I remember I put Jillian down around 10 p.m. and it's now 12:30. So 10:30 to 12:30, 2 hours plus. I stopped because he woke up like twice. So I'd say I did pretty good in 2 hours. I'm satisfied, honestly. Especially because I get to see how much my hair has grown. I should probably do like a length check because actually I've been thinking of going heatless for 1 year and seeing what happened. I think I'm gonna do that. I have really no desire to like straighten my hair or anything, so I think I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'm gonna put some makeup on, take some pictures tomorrow, but tonight I am tired. It's not happening. So I put my hair in 2 bantu knots to try and preserve the length, and I did put some gel around, some eco gel around my edges so that when I sleep, you can kind of, you know, lay down and it wouldn't be so much trouble in the morning. I'm excited to see that even with all this shedding, I still was able to maintain some length and some volume, you know? Hey guys, so it's the next day. I put on my makeup. So it's photo shoot time. I'm actually gonna be wearing my hair like this when I go out today because I think it's cute. Ew. Oh my goodness. Jalen, look at mommy. Oh. If you want to see how I got this juicy, fluffy, moisturized looking twist out, click the cards above to watch. And if you would like to see how I get my hair in my puff, you can go ahead and click the cards above too. The video is a little bit old, but it's still the same way.